So everything that the lead doesn't have time to get, that's what I'm going to focus on. Getting the guys in a place where you're not going to be able to see the bride even if she walks out. Is very
Welcome, the Muscles on Show.
Are you ready? Bam!
So welcome to today's episode. Since you guys are probably tired of seeing my face, today's episode is going to be featuring our second photographer for today. He's actually a lead photographer, but he's doing second today with us. Jeff is going to tell you how much fun it is to shoot for T&K Photo.
Most rewarding part was when he gave me my money.
No, what he's going to do is going to show you guys what it really entails being a second photographer. What is expected of you, what is not expected of you, because it is a lot less pressure than being a lead photographer, in my opinion. So, Jeff, take it away.
Well, I mean, second shooting is a lot easier and mentally than lead shooting because you're not leading the whole day, but I still treat it as you're leading your part of the day, and that's making sure, A, that the groom doesn't see the bride, especially before the first look or the ceremony. So, and first and foremost, when I get here, I always scout out where I want to take the groom, and so right here, this is kind of a new place. I like to freshen it up every single time. Just to get a new background and whatnot. Getting the guys in a place where you're not going to be able to see the bride even if she walks out is very important. Two, you have to know different parts of the day. You have to know where the light is good. And so different parts of the day, even if you shoot in the same place over and over, times the day, times of the season, all changes as to where you can shoot and what lighting is good. Yeah, obviously there's different styles for each couple too, so you got to keep that in mind as well. So part of second shooting is getting everything that the lead can't get. So we obviously try and get everything, even if you think someone shot it before, we're going to double up on that. Ceremonies, flowers, decorations, card tables, all that. As a second, I'm gonna make sure to get all those little details, even if I think someone else has gotten it. So everything that the lead doesn't have time to get, that's what I'm gonna focus on. And especially during first look, getting different angles, getting shoot-through shots, getting things, different perspectives that complement the main vision. As a guy too, it's important to connect with the groom, and it brings a whole nother energy. Rather than hanging out with the gals, it's a whole different emotional energy with the guys. You really kind of need to just match that energy and have fun with them. It's a whole different mindset when you walk into that room. So it takes special attention to kind of know your groom, know your bride, who you're shooting with, and to match the energy and raise it just a little bit. So yeah, we just had the first look, and so Elmer got the wide, epic first look shot, and I was kind of picking through the trees, shooting from the sidelines, making sure getting the reactions and really the candid moments. That's a lot of what the second shooter should be looking for, is the in-betweens, the candids, the real moments. Yeah, so just getting those extra little moments. And then now that they're done that, they're doing bridal photos right now, so I snuck over to the ceremony site. And just getting a couple extra little wide shots here, and so we'll go here and then the reception. So a lot of the things that we're sneaking over here to get some good images while it's still fresh. Yeah, so just finishing out the night. We had about an hour and a half of dancing, which is more than the typical time allotted. So we had a great time, and in that time, Elmer did a few night shots. When he wasn't doing that, when he was looking for where the night shot was, I was following the bride and groom so he could go and do that, scout that out, or I was covering dancing. So, I mean, all throughout the day, I'm really just covering his back. So wherever he can't be, that's where I need to be. And whether it's carrying a bag, helping him out with family photos or getting the reception room while he's going and doing romantics. I'm there for support in any way that's possible. And so yeah, we had an awesome night. We had some great time getting creative on the dance floor too, and lots of different creativity to supplement the lead's creative vision. Had fun. That's kind of the main point of what I like to do in the wedding, is just if I have fun, I know everybody else is having fun, so we'll get some good photos from that.